Welcome to the Midwest Telecom tutorial on how to add a busy lamp field or a speed dial number to your directory list. Let's begin with defining two key terms. A busy lamp field, BLF for short, is a light on your business phone that tells you which employees are on a call at any given time. When the light is red, the extension is not available. A green light means the extension is available. Speed dial is a function that allows you to dial a stored number by pressing a shortcut key. This function is used for contacts outside of your organization. The steps for adding either a BLF or a speed dial number to your directory list are the same. To start, head over to the Midwest Telecom portal and log into your account. On the main menu to the left, click Extensions, then select the extension you want to modify. Click Enhanced Services on the right. Note, if you do not see the Enhanced Services button, contact Midwest Telecom support to add permissions to your account. Scroll to find the directory /BLF list option, and then click the edit icon to the right. Now click the add icon, the plus sign, at the top. To add a BLF, enter the extension and label, then toggle on the BLF button and click Save. Keep in mind that a BLF should only be added to an internal extension. To add a speed dial number, enter the phone number in the extension box, enter a name in the label box, leave the BLF button turned off, then click Save. Use speed dial for external phone numbers that you regularly dial. There you have it, how to add a busy lamp field or a speed dial number to your directory list. Still need help? Give us a call or send an email. We're here for you. And thanks for choosing Midwest Telecom for your business communication needs.